Hello everyone, this is my daily trade recap. Trade number 1,
Alpha Omega down MNQ
which was
on
a
the 4.
loser.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6. on the 27.
Here I got in on these
DCDMES
double
on the
dots.
6.
Everything was bad. The buyer started way sooner. And then I got filled at the absolute tippy top. This was a bad trade, I could have avoided it.
Order filled.
Second trade, I think this was just after hearing buyers on that, or was it sellers getting exhausted? I don't remember.
Order filled.
Here I took half off
Order
at the
canceled.
top of the
Order
channel.
submitted.
My hotkeys weren't working here. Yeah, you
Armada
see,
MNQ
like
on the 4.
I tried to
Armada NQ on the
use a hotkey and then I had to manually move the stop to break even. But not fast enough, so I got kicked out of the trade.
Order.
Next one. Another attempt at a 40 reversal. Here we broke the green dot, started healing sellers. I could have exited way sooner
Order
for a
filled.
smaller loser. After that trade I was like, okay, we need
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6.
more confluence and everything,
Double delta
so
MNQ on the 4.
let's align more stuff here. This wasn't such a bad trade, but I was prematurely in.
Alpha Omega down ES on the 2.
That
Enigma
was
long on
the
the
problem
MNQ
here.
4. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega NQ on the 27.
Yeah, now we have a Super AO on the 9s, on the wave, on the 6s,
Delta
and
6
we
ES on
had
the 1.
like a lot of red signals on ES as well, so that's why I jumped in
Order
that
filled.
fast.
Two-finger
But I
NQ
should
on the
have waited
27.
for sellers.
Fib.NQ
Here
on the
again,
6.
should have waited for sellers. Now, on SUS,
Divergence up
there
NQ
we
on the
go.
9.
That ad was good. That's where I should have entered.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 4.
Double dots on the 6. Beautiful play.
Alpha Omega ES on the 1. on the 4.
This one acted like a DCDM, like a mini power DCDM. These are usually really good for shorting. But here it started meandering. Just like,
Order
there was
filled.
like a line.
MNQ on the 4.
I reduced my size, and of course,
Alpha
when I
Delta
went
MNQ
half
on the
off, that's when it started to go.
Order
Took half off at the Super AO.
Order filled.
Then I wanted to put in a trailer, but I got kicked out. This was a trade I took. This was the best trade I had. It was too long. I left a runner out and I forgot to record the trade earlier. So basically, we had double dots on ES with the Super AO on the ones. Double dots were on the balls on the McP, and something on the twos as well. But look at this. We had a diamond ball dot at the bottom. I got near the bottom. Diamond super dot with on wave. AOs, and I think my pinpoint entry was on the force with Super AO. I went double the size I added on the SUS because I was confident in the play, and here I left a runner out.
Double delta NQ
Everything was basically aligned, so I just wanted to see how long it's gonna run. Where I set my stop, that's where I got out. I didn't want to give much back because these pullbacks can be very long. Here, double dot play. Look at the wave. Now we got a dot on the tide as well. This was also a nice play.
Fib.NQ on the 6.
Here I took a lot off on the blue AO. But I could have closed it because I think here we were on a MACV. MACVO was green. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Not sure though.
Alpha Omega MNQ on the 6, MNQ on the 4.
Oh, okay.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4.
Here I locked it in at the AO, because these AOs can be either a boost
Order
for the
filled.
short sellers or they turn. So basically I could have just closed it like a normal person.
Alpha Omega MNQ on the 4.
Here,
Order filled.
NQ on the 6.
this was not a great play, but we had buyers on the tape and
Delta
Order.
shift MNQ on the 4.
MacView was strong buy.
Orders.
After this trade, I stopped trading because
Alpha Omega up ES
like,
divergence down NQ on the 9.
as soon as I got in the trade, I was looking to get back to the top, like where we are now, and close the whole position.
Order
But I was, yeah,
Order.
like I
Order
took
submitted.
2 times half off, but like 2
Double
contracts
Delta
were
NQ on
still,
the 9.
and I got stopped out at break even. Like I could have just exited there at the top.
Divergence down NQ on the
But
27.
after this trade, I
Order
saw that
filled.
I'm not focused anymore, so I stopped there. Yeah, thank you.